Hello, student leaders, and welcome back. It's Harrison and Xavi, and we're here to close out the remainder of today's conference.
The conference is now concluded, and I hope you all learned something new today. Whether it was in a session about leadership styles, through interactions with your peers, or at the alumni panel, I'm confident that you were able to take something new away from today's sessions.
We want to thank you again for taking the time out of your Saturday to be here and grow as student leaders. You could have been at home, watching a movie, sleeping in, taking your own time. But instead, you choose to develop your skills and learn from your peers. We commend you and hope that you continue this energy as we move into the spring semester.
As the fall semester begins to wrap up, we hope that each of you continue taking care of yourselves. Using some skills you learned today, how will you choose to finish the semester?
If at any time you have any questions, feel free to send the undergraduate student government an email. We want you to know that we are here for you and to make your time here at BGSU everything that you need as a student.
That's all we have for you today. We will be uploading the videos of each session as soon as possible, so be on the lookout for those if there were any sessions you missed but wanted to attend.
And again, the first 150 people who registered will receive an email shortly with instructions on how to pick up your swag bag. Thank you all for coming today. You are truly the leaders of today, tomorrow, and the rest of this semester. Take care.